Hi, my name is Marcus Swell, and I am the farm manager for Brunswick Farm. Well, I am going to start a vermicompose farm. I'm also doing aquaponics, so you will see some aquaponics system in my background while I'm filming, but we're going to zero in tonight on the starting of my worm farm. So I'm going to talk about some of the stuff that I'll be adding to my worm farm. So let's get straight to it. So right here, as you can see, that's my grow bed for my aquaponics farm, but we are doing the vermicompost video now. So right here I have some food, some greens that I have cut up for the worms. As you can see here, what I have here are banana skin, plantain skin, callaloo leaves, callaloo stalk, yam skin, pear skin. So all of that is right here, cut up. Some other things that I will be adding to my vermicompost bin are some grass, and these grass I got from somebody's house who cut their lawn, and I collected a heap. Over here I have some sawdust I got from a friend company who deals with furniture. So this is the sawdust. So right here I have some shredded papers. A friend of mine bring some shredded paper for me from her workplace. Right, so I'm going to put that in as well. And right here I have some potting mix, potting soil. So it's Ross potting soil, product of Jamaica. I bought this at one of the local farm and garden store. And right here, as you can zoom in a bit, where you see organic manure, composite, coir dust, and soil. So I will be putting this in my worm bed. So over here you have my worm bed. So here in Jamaica, you have the red wigglers. And the red wigglers are the earthworms, and here in Jamaica we do not sell earthworms or the red wigglers. In the US, in US, you can buy these various type of worms, but here in Jamaica we cannot buy it and bring it in the island. So I'm starting out with minimal, and I am going to try and see if I can grow. So this business for me will be a medium to long term business. So I'm going to get started. I am using a half 55-gallon drum to start out with. I don't even know how much worms I have in the system, so I will assume that I have about 200 to 300 worms here in the system. So you can see some scraps that I added in earlier, and I had some coffee trash or coffee grounds, some early on some banana skin, but hey, I have to start somewhere. So I will keep you up to date as I set up this system. Alright, so I have mixed the stuff, the shredded paper, the soil, the potting soil, the sawdust, the grass, you know, and I got some breadfruit, you know, so I cut up the breadfruit fine, so that's the additional food to the system. So what I will be doing, I will be spreading it now right here, so that's the worm can, you know, crawl for the new food. And then now next day I will add a next layer of dirt. So yeah, not a next day, I should say about a week from now I will add some more soil. So as they say, you must mix, and when you mix, you're supposed to can squeeze the dirt and get at least a drip. So as you can see, there's a drip. So right, so it's moist enough for the worms to move around and to you know eat the food, lay worm castings. Yeah, so far so good. This is what it looks like. So I'm going to add the food now so that you can see. So this is how I would do it. So I'm going to spread it out. So that's, you know, they can have access to it all. Alright, when I'm done doing this, I will let you see the finish setup. So yes, so what I have did, I have spread out the worm food, you know, evenly, so that, you know, they can get space to move around, space to eat, space to lay worm casting, and so forth. So what I'm going to do now, I have wet the newspaper in some water to put on the top of the bed. The water that I use is not pipe water, it is rainwater. So I try to use rainwater, not the regular pipe or city water. So everything look like. So I hope you like what I did, you know. So, you know, I would love for you to subscribe to this channel. I would like you to comment below, and I would like you to like this video. Thank you.